The schools have put their solutions on the board. I have taken a look at each one of them, and I'm now going to read out the suggested solution from our consultant. So this was a problem from mathematics, and it read, solve for x a real number from the equation 4 to the power x plus 16 to the power x equals 64 to the power x. And there was a hint that they should let u be equals to 4 to the power x. So the solution. So if you let u equals 4 to the power x, u squared equals 16 to the power x, and u cubed is equal to 64 to the power x. So when you give me the equation, u plus u squared equals u3, you earn 2 points. Then u cubed minus u squared minus u equals u into bracket, or u multiplying the expression u squared minus u minus 1, which is equal to 0. And so u is equal to 0, or u squared minus u minus 1 equals 0. You get 2 points for that. So u equals 0, 4 to the power x equals 0 has no solution. You earn 1 point for this. So u squared minus u minus 1 equals 0. So u equals the expression 1 plus or minus the square root of 5 over 2. You earn 2 points for that. Then 4x is equal to 1 plus root 5. That's the expression 1 plus root 5 over 2. So x is equal to the log base 4 of the expression 1 over root 5 over 2. You get 2 points for that. Then 4 to the power x equals the expression 1 over root 5 over 2 is less than 0, has no solution. You get 1 point for this. So looking at what the schools gave us, Awudome was able to give the first equation, u plus u squared minus u plus u squared equals to u cubed. So they got the 2 points for that. Mawuli school also got that, and they also got u equals 0. So they got 4 points for that. Wesley girls was able to get these two, plus, even though they did not state that u equals 0, then 4x equals 0 has no solution, so they lost the point for that one. They were able to give u equals 1 plus or minus root 5 over 2. So they earned 2 points there. And so Wesley girls got 6. Well, they were also able to write 4x equals, so x equals log base 4 of the expression 1 plus root 5 over 2. So they earned 8 points. So for the problem of the day, Awudome Senior High School got 2 points, Mawuli School got 4 points, and Wesley Girls High School got 8 points. continue with the fourth round. In this round, each school is going to get a statement. You tell me whether your statement is true or false. When you are right, you earn 2 points. When you are wrong, you lose a point. In fear of losing a precious point, you may decide not to answer at all, in which case another school answers correctly for the 2 points, or they lose a point when they are wrong. When you're ready to pick up another school statement, you ring the bell to alert me. Then I'll give you the opportunity after their 10 seconds have elapsed. I'll be starting with Wesley Girls High School. And I may not repeat true or false after every question. So please take note. So we start with our fourth round. The quadratic inequality x squared minus 5x minus 14 is greater than 0 has as its solution set, Wesley Girls, the set of x such that negative 2 is less than x less than 7. Yes.
False. False.
That is correct. Awudome. X, the set of x such that x is greater than 2 or x is less than negative 7. Yes, Richmond.
False.
That is correct. Mawuli School. The set of x such that x is less than negative 2 or x is greater than 7.
True.
That is correct. Preamble to all schools. Indicate whether the following are true or false with respect to lenticels. Wesley Girls High School. They are active during the day. Ogia.
True.
That is incorrect. Awudome. They facilitate transpiration and exchange of gases. Yes.
True.
That is incorrect. Mawuli School. Their opening and closing can be regulated.
False.
That is correct. Wesley Girls. 2-chlorobutane is optically active. Aradua.
True.
That is correct. Awudome. 2,2-dibromopentane is optically active. Yes, Richmond.
False.
That is correct. Mawuli School. 2-bromo-2-chloropropane is optically active.
False.
That is correct. Wesley Girls High School. In a human eye suffering from myopia, light from distant objects focuses in front of the retina and fails to produce a sharp image on it. Ogia.
True.
That is correct. Awudome. In a human eye suffering from astigmatism, light from distant objects focuses behind the retina and fails to produce a sharp image on it. Yes, Richmond.
False.
That is correct. Mawuli School. In a human eye suffering from astigmatism, light from objects nearby focuses behind the retina and fails to produce a sharp image on it.
False.
That is correct. Wesley Girls. Given the function y equals f of x, the function, so this is a preamble. Given the function y equals f of x, the function, Wesley Girls, y equals f of the expression x plus 3 represents a shift to the right by 3 units of the graph of y equals f of x. Iradra.
False.
That is correct. Awudome. Y equals f of x plus 3 represents a vertical shift up by 3 units of the graph of y equals f of x. Yes.
False.
That is incorrect. Mawuli school. Y equals negative f of negative x represents a reflection in the x-axis of the graph of y equals f of x.
True.
That is incorrect. Wesley girls. The next one is yours, but there's a preamble which reads, indicate whether the following are true or false with respect to examples of ammonification. Wesley girls, conversion of nitrogen into ammonia by nitrogen fixers. Yes or yes?
False.
That is correct. Awudome, conversion of nitrates into ammonia by nitrogen fixers. Yes, Richmond.
False.
That is correct. Mawuli school, conversion of urea into ammonia by decomposers.
True.
That is correct. The decolorization of a solution of acidified potassium permanganate will occur when a solution of Fe3 plus is added to it. Ogia.
False.
You have one attempt at answering, so I heard true and I heard false. I can't take any. Awudome. The addition of Fe2 plus ions will decolorize a solution of acidified potassium dichromate. Richmond.
True.
That is incorrect. Mawuli school. Passing hydrogen sulfide gas through a solution of Cu2 plus ions will form a black precipitate.
True.
That is correct. Temperature, this is the last set. Wesley girls. Temperature at the triple point of water equals 273.15 Kelvin. Yes, Eradra.
False.
That is correct. Awudome. The vapor pressure of water at its triple point nearly equals atmospheric pressure. Richmond.
True.
That is incorrect. Mawuli school. Temperature at the triple point of water equals 273.16 Kelvin.
True.
That is correct. And that's the end of the fourth round. At the end of round 4, Awudome Senior High School had 18 points. Wesley Girls High School had 26 points. And Mawuli School had 47 points. Contestants, our hard work is over. It's time for us to solve riddles. This is round 5, and there are 4 riddles to be solved. I'm going to give you clues to help you solve the riddles. If you're able to solve on the first clue, you earn 5 points. On the second clue, you earn 4 points. From the third to the very last clue, you earn 3 points. The riddles are coming to you all at the same time, so you may take turns in answering. When you answer and you are unsuccessful, you sit out of competition for that particular riddle. If there is any after that, you join us. But at stake in this round is the Gold Riddle Bonanza, which will reward a school that solves either 3 or all 4 riddles correctly. If you're able to solve 3 correctly, you earn 1,200. And if you're able to solve all 4 riddles correctly, you earn 1,600. So I wish you the best as we enter our 5th round. First riddle. I'm a polygon. I'm deformable. I'm the simplest of my kind. The sum of my interior angles is 2 straight angles. An interior angle is congruent to the corresponding exterior angle. Wesley Girls.
Square.
That is correct. I am a biological concept that has been theorized. I occur when traits that predispose organisms to survive in an environment are passed from parents to their offspring. I'm the cornerstone behind Charles Darwin's Yes, Mawuli.
Natural selection.
That is correct. I am a volatile and toxic haloalkane. I am a volatile and toxic haloalkane. I'm a potent threat to the ozone layer. I'm a colorless, dense, and non-flammable liquid at room temperature. I'm a simple haloalkane with no hydrogen atom. Yes, Mawuli.
Tetrachloromethane.
That is correct. Last riddle. I am an object of study in physics. I'm an object of study in physics. I generally vary with position and time. Because of this, I'm a type of field. I'm generated by electric charges and by varying magnetic fields. For a light wave, I'm the field component. Awudome.
Electromagnetic field.
That is incorrect. For a light wave, I am the field component that specifies the state of polarization of the wave. Who am I? Mawuli School.
Lorentz field.
That is incorrect.